Hello everyone, welcome to back my channel. I hope everyone is having wonderful day. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. A well-loved 90 Day Fiancé cast member revealed a heartbreaking update about their baby's struggle with a severe health issue, which has led to hospitalization. This year, multiple couples from 90 Day Fiancé welcomed babies into their families. Jasmine and her friend, Matt, welcomed their daughter, Maddie, in March 2025. Around the same time, David and Annie joyfully welcomed their daughter, holds a special place in David and Annie's hearts, as they had been contemplating having a child for nearly 8 years, and finally succeeded through an IVF procedure. David recently shared some updates about his daughter, who is currently hospitalized in Thailand, fighting respiratory virus, RSV. An infection affecting the lungs and respiratory tract. Is currently hospitalized in Thailand, fighting respiratory virus, RSV, an infection affecting the lungs and respiratory tract. David shared a picture of Annie holding their daughter, who was wearing an oxygen mask. He began by thanking fans for their prayers during this challenging time. David added, "The doctor said that it will probably get worse before it gets better. Medical staff have been regularly clearing phlegm and mucus from lungs, while administering medication and oxygen every 4 hours. David mentioned that had been eating well and no longer had a fever. He described his experience at the hospital as having some good moments and not so good moments. David also expressed his gratitude to Annie, noting, "She is not just a mom, but a strong woman." According to David, successfully spent her first night in the hospital, with only 4 more nights to go. It's truly heartbreaking for David and Annie to be going through such a difficult time with their 4-month-old daughter's health. While David, who has 3 children from a previous relationship, may have experience dealing with challenging situations like this is Annie's first time as a mother. Despite putting on a smile and trying to stay optimistic, she must be feeling deeply concerned about her daughter's health. The diagnosis of RSV in their daughter is testing David and Annie's parenting skills and emotional strength, especially since this is their first child together after years of waiting. Even though their daughter is battling a severe infection, it's heartwarming to see David and Annie remain brave and not let this situation overwhelm their emotions. They have full faith in the hospital's medical staff and believe they will be able to bring their healthy baby home within the next 5 days. However, David and Annie will now be even more protective of their daughter after witnessing her in such a vulnerable state. They will likely be extra cautious about her health moving forward. When a child becomes ill, it typically affects the relationship between the parents. Dealing with a child's illness can put pressure on the parents' relationship, but David and Annie have been working together as a team and are devoted to taking care of their baby. It's impressive to see that even during this difficult time, they are keeping their fans updated and expressing gratitude for their support. Hopefully, the 90 Day Fiancé couple's baby will recover quickly and be able to come home soon.